What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 9 and today's topic will be how to use embeddings with Llama Index. Very simple tutorial, but one of the very important tutorial, because if you are going to develop some RAG application or question answer related applications, then vector embeddings are actually very important. Okay, without vector embedding you won't be actually able to store and process your data efficiently and like quick. Okay, so that is why vector embeddings are very important. So I'll be going to start with OpenAI embeddings, and I believe if you just spend some time with OpenAI embeddings or on this video, then probably all the remaining concepts will be clear. So what I think, that I will only create uh, this video on embeddings with OpenAI model, and the rest of the things I'll be going to actually tackle and cover whenever I will do some application development or some project. Okay, because I think this embedding, how to use embedding, these topics are very simple, and one video is actually more than enough. So use OpenAI embedding as global config. So first I'll be going to do that, and then what we'll do, then we'll be going to set a parameter, and with that parameter I'll be going to use the embedding. Okay, and the tutorial link is actually available here, so you guys will get the source code from this link. Okay, so now before I start the coding, I would like to request a couple of things. So guys, this is ninth tutorial on Llama Index series. If you're new to our channel, I'll highly recommend you to actually go ahead and search for this playlist on Llama Index, and after that you can start watching the tutorials from the beginning, right? Because if your objective is actually to develop some nice application, or if you are actually planning to uh, become an AI engineer, or if you are just starting your career as an AI engineer, or maybe if you want to actually become an expert developer in LLM application development, then probably this is the series where actually you will get everything. And I'm covering all the small and simple concepts at the beginning with all the components of Llama Index, and later on I'll be going to do the integration part, like I'll be going to integrate with multiple data sources, and we'll be going to do some real world project. Okay, and next thing is actually we have another playlist on LangChain. So if you search for LangChain playlist, you will see I have already created a complete playlist on LangChain, and in that tutorial or in that playlist you will have 104 videos. So it is also a very detailed and uh, complete tutorial. If you want to become LangChain expert from zero to expert, then probably that is the tutorial. So please watch those tutorial, give me some feedback, try to share my videos with your family and friend, and try to give like and engagement as much as possible, because that is how actually I can get some support and help from all of you guys, and I need your help to grow. And one of the most important part is actually, please try to subscribe to my channel, because the more you guys start subscribing, my subscriber count is automatically increase, and YouTube will see that my channel is popular within audience. So YouTube will also start pushing my videos via their YouTube algorithm, and that will help me to reach large number of audience. And my ultimate objective is actually to reach large number of audience, so that I can gain some visibility, and also I can reach more and more people, right? So please help me guys, help me to reach my goal. And as always, I promise that I will come back always with some nice and meaningful quality content. Okay, with that note, let's start the video. I mean, the video is already started. Let's start the coding. So this is the thing. So if you say here, I have created a directory, and directory have a has a text file. So my first objective is actually to show you guys how to use this embedding model as a standalone use. Okay, so for that, what I will do, we'll be going to import some modules. So llama index dot core, right? So it will have total 2-3 different things. Okay, so we'll be going to actually import settings, then we'll be going to vector index and simple directory reader, right? These three things are done. Next thing, actually we'll be going to import the OpenAI embedding. So it is also going to be very simple. From Llama Index, then dot embeddings, okay, dot OpenAI, right? And import OpenAI embedding, right? All are done, right? Okay, now what will happen? Now we'll be going to create a global variable. So maybe I can just write global config. Sorry, not variable, global config. Okay, then settings dot embed model. Okay, and how this model is actually going to get the value, this variable. So it means I'm just going to set this thing everywhere. I need to now know, I don't need to actually use any parameter while calling the vector index or anything else. It will automatically get it from there. Now what we'll do, now we'll be going to use a OpenAI standalone setting. So let's create a variable called embeddings embeddings text. Okay, and there what will happen, we'll be going to write embed underscore model dot get underscore text underscore embeddings, and there we can write simple text. Okay, mm, hello, this is Ronnie. Okay, so if you see here, this is actually a variable. So there is another way of doing it. This is the global config, you can use it, and another one is actually embed underscore model. Okay, and there I can actually pass this thing. Okay, so this is global config, and this is uh, using var. Okay, so this is done, and now after that what you can do, you can just print embedding text. So basically here when I'm doing the embedding, it is using this variable. I'm not using this global config yet, but let's try to actually use this. Okay, so see, this is entirely got the embedding, and I got the answer here. See, this is a vector representation of this thing. Okay, done. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to actually use the embedding to actually create a vector index with this simple file, right? For that, let me actually comment out this part. Okay, so what we'll do, first we'll be going to create a documents. So documents will be going to be loaded from this directory using this simple directory reader. So simple directory reader, then data. Okay, then loader, load data. All done. Now what will happen, now we'll be going to use the embeddings, right? So I'll create index equals to vector store index from documents. Now there I'll be just going to pass this documents, and if you don't use anything, it is going to actually use this. Okay, and if I do this thing, what will happen, it is going to use this embedding. Okay, so let's see, right? Yeah, so embedding is completed. It's actually creating in-memory vector index, you have to understand. And if you want to actually use this thing with a variable, then what will happen, you have to just write embed model, right? And this is the actually using of embedding with the help of vector, sorry, with the help of variable, right? So two ways actually we have achieved this thing. Here I'm not asking any question and other things, you can easily do it, right? So my ultimate objective is actually okay, but still let's see whatever we can do it. So maybe I can show you actually. Engine equals to index dot as query engine, right? After that we can create a response equals to, and what will happen here, engine dot query. And for you guys, I have already created a couple of questions set over here, so let me ask this question. Okay, okay, done. And then we'll be going to print the answer. Okay, print response, sorry. Okay, okay, all done. So let's ask this question and see. If you say here, the potential application of smart contract or something is coming, right? So this is how you have to actually use your embeddings while creating the vector index, or if you're actually trying to set up some sort of like standalone vector embeddings with some standard text. This is the process actually, and in both case we are actually using Llama Index with OpenAI. And if you want to use some other model, you can do it, and for that you have to just go ahead and check the models library, or like what like module you have to import, and after that you can actually get the details from the documentation. Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here, and we'll see you in the next video. But before I conclude, I would like to request again one more time, sorry for that I'm coming back again and again with this request, but please guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos as much as possible. And if you're existing member of the channel but not yet subscribed, so it's a request, please guys subscribe to my channel and support me. I need your support big time, right? Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.